Have you been looking or asking for a waterfront estate? Now I present to you the Oceanview Estate located at Akete, Lagos, Nigeria. Please come with me. Let me show you how beautiful the waterfront side looks. In this estate, we have the 300 square meter and we also have the 500 square meter. And we are still selling at the pre-launch price. And the 300 square meter is still selling for 18 million naira. And while the 500 square meter is still selling for 30 million naira. With initial deposit of 5 million naira, you own the property to yourself. You can spread the balance from 0 to 12 months. For more enquiries, feature or site inspection, slide into my DM or call the number showing on your screen. I still remain Stella Steven Estate Properties. Bye for now until I come back your way next time.